This is Raghvendra Singh. I'll be introducing you to our new machine model, which is specially designed for the graphite machining from DTC-400 XL Graphite machine. We call it as DTC-400 XL 20, specially designed for the graphite machining. Today, the mold industry demands this, and the huge requirement is there in the market. So hence, we have launched this product recently, and we have been getting good response. So I just like to introduce you to the machine. You can see the machine is built with the special telescopic covers, special LM guideways, ball screw, which we have taken care of for whatever required for the graphite machine. And the table size here comes with 750 by 400 with the stroke being 500, 400, 450 stroke, and you get this DTC machine with Mitsubishi control, Fanuc control, and Siemens control. We offer in all three control CNC controllers. We offer these machines, and you see the machine is so compact. It's best suited for your machine shop. Today space is money, what we call, and we have taken care of even that element also. And if you see the construction of the machine, we have taken every aspect of the machine. It comes with 20 tool twin arm ATC. It comes with the screen type coolant, where when the coolant falls, it makes sure that the graphite powder is not flowed outside to any other area, and it ensures that it is within the component and it's cleaned well. Okay, the chip handling also we have taken care very well here. And this machine, if you see, it comes with simple 20 tool twin arm ATC, as I told you earlier. And also what we have taken is here is like we have taken care of all spindle powers, what is required for the graphite, and with all three controllers we have done. And apart from this, all the probing solutions, whatever additional elements you required, we have provided with. When it comes to spindle speed, we offer this machine with 10,000, 12,000 RPM, 20,000 RPM, and 24,000 RPM. So this is a complete package, best package for a graphite machining, and we have been getting a very good response in the market. Customers are given very positive feedback, and I thank a lot of my customers who have used these machines and given us a feedback to improve this machine to the further. So some of the components and applications I would like to show here is, like you can see, so many elements, so many components we have done, okay, for the machining, and it's been very proven, and we are getting a very good response for this machine. So this is, again I'm telling, it's one of the best model what we have released, and we are getting a very good response with all three controllers. DTC-400 XL 20, with 20 means here 20 tool ATC. If you have any inquiries, please do contact us.